Okay, so one of the number one things about these window covers that I can't live without is having privacy, both day and night. Number two, to have insulation. These things are great. It keeps you cooler in the heat and definitely warmer when it gets cool. Third thing is noise reduction. If you have any type of insulation, it always has noise reducing properties. So that's something that you really want. You got cars going by, you got people making a bunch of noise, and it's really nice to have the extra insulation to keep it quiet in your vehicle. Benefit number 4, there goes the train. Got benefit number 4, it's always good to be able to control the light in your vehicle. So during the day, if you want a little extra shade, you're not feeling good, hey, you're under the weather, sometimes you need a place to escape. So you can go ahead and get under a shade tree somewhere, put up your shades, and you can go ahead and take a nap. You can rest. So natural light control. Well, I should have mentioned this as number 1. This is probably one of the biggest things that's dear to my heart, is getting a good night's sleep. When there's lights, there's cars passing by, there's street lights, there's other ambient light. You know, it's well proven that you should be in a dark room to get a good night's sleep. It creates melatonin. These have definitely helped. No light intrusion, and that's a good thing. Silver side's great. You can reflect the heat. I will have a little video about the temperature difference between the inside and the outside of these. Okay, so like from 125 to 129 on the outside. Okay, here's the inside of the cover, and 84 degrees. Okay, so this is kind of like what I'm talking about as far as like stealthy. You know, I got the window covers in, and yeah, dark gray, got the normal front shade in. Looks like anyone's home, but when you open the doors, there you go. So just in summary, I never would have made it this long living in my vehicle if I wouldn't have had the shades. And that's why I mentioned this first before the construction build or anything else, because if you're not getting a night's sleep, you're living in your vehicle and you're trying to fix it up at the same time, it's going to be very difficult. So click the link below and get these things made so you can get a good night's sleep, you can get your privacy, little noise relief, heat, cold, insulation, and yeah, just overall improve the quality of a mobile life.